Yes, so hi and marhaban to another lesson of the Arabic speaking course. And this time in this video, we will learn about the family and relationships in Arabic, right? So let's talk about the family words in Arabic, family, right? So let's begin. So in Arabic, father is referred to as ab. Ab, we use the word ab to say father in Arabic. And then the word is used for mother. So if I say and I add the possessive pronoun e with it, it becomes ummi. And ummi would mean my mother. Ummi, right? Ummi, right? So my mother. And then comes the word akh. Akh means brother. And obviously, akhi would mean my brother. Abi would mean my father. Then comes the word ukht. Ukht ending with a ta. So ukht. Ukht means sister. And if I say ukhti, that would mean my sister. Then comes the word jad. 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 Say it 5 times. Jad. Jad means grandfather. Now, jad can be used for your maternal grandfather or paternal grandfather. So the word for grandfather is jad. Can be maternal, can be paternal, right? And jadda, jad-a, jadda meaning grandmother. And the word for son is ibn. Ibn ending with a na sound. Ibn, ibn, right? Ibn means son. And means bint means daughter. Zawj, zawj ending with a j sound. Zawj means husband. And zawja meaning wife. And of course, the final word itself is family. Family in Arabic is called a'ila. A with a sound from the throat, deep throat. A'ila. A'ila. A'ila means family. A'ila means family. And as you can see, this word a'ila is basically ending with a ta. So it means the word family in Arabic is feminine. A'ila is a feminine word, right? So there's a ta at the end of the word a'ila. But when we say this word a'ila, we ignore the ta, right? So we don't say a'ilat, we say a'ila, right? So that's it for the family words. Now let's use these words in example sentences, right? But before that, let's see some words that we usually accompany with the words of family, right? So the words accompanying the family words are indi. Indi means I have. Indi, in, indi means I have. And ladayya again means I have, but it is more formal, right? So ladayya and indi mean the same, but ladayya is more formal, right? So indi, ladayya, 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 ladayya. And then comes the word uhibbu. Uhibbu. Uhibbu means I love. Uhibbu. Then comes the word huwa hiya. We have done this in the previous lessons. Huwa is referred to he, he is, and hiya meaning she, right? So these are basically the subjective pronouns. Huwa and hiya. We have done this. And again, nahnu, we have also done. Nahnu means we. Nahnu means we. So now let's talk about the example sentences, right? Okay, so now move on. Let's move on to the examples. So the first sentence is, if you want to say I have a mother and a father, you would say I have means Indi. We have done the word Indi. Indi means I have. Indi means I have. So in the ummi, in the wa ab. Indi means I have. Means a mother. Va is used to say and. This va is used to refer to and ab means a father. Ab, right? So if you wanna say in Arabic, I have a mother and a father, you would say indi wa ab, meaning I have a mother and a father. Then, if you want to say, I have two sisters and one brother, I have two sisters and one brothers, again, you would say indi, because I have means indi, and two in Arabic means. So, listen to this. Sister in Arabic, we have done means ukht, ukht, right? So, when we talk about two sisters, so there is also a specific word for referring to two sisters. That word is ukhtan. Ukhtan. Ukht means a sister, one sister, and ukhtan means two sisters. So when you add the word an in front of ukht, that would mean two sisters. So when I say ukhtan, in the ukhtan, that would mean I have two sisters. Va means and, right? And to say one brother, I would use the word akhun wahid. One brother means, one means wahid in Arabic. One, learn this number. One means wahid. Wahid, wahid means one in Arabic. So akhun wahid or akh wahid means one brother. Since akh means brother and wahid means one brother. So in the ukhtan wa akh wahid, it would mean I have two sisters and one brother. So moving on, the next sentence. Then if I want to say I love my family very much. So I love, I would use uhibbu. Uhibbu, we have just now learned, means I love. Uhibbu means I love. And we have done that aila, aila means family. And if I add the possessive pronoun e in front of this, it would become aila ti, aila ti. And this would mean my family. Aila ti means my family. So again, the word ailati is used in the sentence. Ailati, ilati, uhibbu ailati kathiran. Now, this word kasiran, or just kasiran means very much. Kasiran means very much. Kasiran, meaning in a huge amount or like very much into put into this context, right? So kasiran literally means in a large amount. So when I use the word kasiran in this sentence, it would mean very much. So uhibbu ailati kasiran. Uhibbu ailati kasiran means I love my family very much. So moving forward, then if I want to say he is my grandfather, now for he, I would use the word huwa. We have done this in the previous lessons. Huwa jaddi. Huwa jaddi. Okay, so Jad in Arabic means, we have done this. Jad means grandfather. And if I add the word E in front of it, it means my grandfather. So if I say the sentence Huwa Jaddi, that means he is my grandfather. And then I say Ismuhu Ali. Ismuhu Ali. Now we have also done this, that Ism means name and when I add the possessive pronoun in front of it, who, this means his name. So ismuhu means his name is Ali, right? So huwa jaddi ismuhu Ali, right? He is my grandfather. His name is Ali. Now moving on to the last sentence. So here ukhti, here refers to she. Ukhti means my sister, and umruha, umr, umr means umr means years, year, or and if I add the word who in front of it, it means her year, or sorry, means age, not year. Means age. So when I say umruha, since sister is a female, feminine, so I would say ha, not whom. So ha means her. Umruha means her age. We have done this. We have completely understood what how to use the possessive pronouns. I am just revising it, right? So umruha means her age. So umruha ashara, ashara, ashar or ashara means 10. Ashar sanavat means years. So if I say hiya ukhti, it means she is my sister. Umruha ashara sanavat. She is 10 years old, or her age is 10 years. It would literally mean her age 10 is 10 years. So we can also say it like this, she is 10 years old, right? So, but literally it means her age is 10 years. So, umruha ashara sanawat, meaning she is 10 years old. Hiya ukhti, hiya ukhti, umruha ashara sanawat, right? So moving on to the last part, but before that, again, let's do some more examples. So if I say man fi ailatika, again, we have done this word aila. Aila means family. Now, if I add the word ka in front of it, it would become aila tika. Aila tika. Now, aila tika means your family, right? Ailatika means your family. So, and man, the word man, the question word, it means who. So, man fi and fi is a preposition, it means in. So, man fi ailatika would mean who is in your family. Man fi ailatika. Man fi ailatika. Who is in your family? So, the person would reply, the person B would reply, Indi, Indi meaning I have a mother, ab, a father, va, and ukht, sagira. Sagira means sagira, sagira. Sagira means small. And in this context, like if we say ukht, sagira, it would mean younger sister or smaller sister, right? So the person B is a girl, she is saying, Pindi, ab wa ukht saghira, meaning I have a mother, a father, and a younger sister. Because saghira means small. Saghira means small, right? Then the person A asks that hal tuhibbu ailatika? Hal means do you? Hal means do. Again, hal is a question word. Hal means do. Tuhibbu. Tuhibbu means, okay, so uhibbu means I love, and tuhibbu means you love. So that is why the word tuhibbu is used. So hal tuhibbu ailatika? Hal do do you love ailatika, your family? So the person B would answer Naam. Naam we have done means yes. Uhibbuhum kasiran or uhibbuhum kasiran. Yes, I love them very much. أحبهم كثيرا. كثيرا means very much, and أحبهم, أحب means I love, and if I add the subjective, or sorry, possessive pronoun whom with it, it would become them. So the person B says, نعم أحبهم كثيرا. Understood? So this is how we use the family words in Arabic in sentences. Now let's move to the last thing of this lecture. So now let's study relationships, right? So how do we say I am married for a male? So he would say ana meaning I, mutazawwij, mutazawwij meaning I am married. Ana mutazawwij for a male. And how would a female say it? She would say it like this. Ana mutazawwija. Mutazawwij for a male and mutazawwij a for a female. Ana mutazawwija. Ana mutazawwija meaning I am married but for a female. Again, if somebody wants to say I have children, now children, a child in Arabic is called tifl. A child in Arabic is called tifl. And children in Arabic are called atfal. So basically, atfal is the plural of tifl, right? Tifl. So that is why we would say indi atfal, meaning I have children. And if somebody wants to say I am single, like he's a male and he wants to say I am single, he would say ana a'zab, ana a'zab. And for a female, ana a'zaba, ana azba, sorry. Ana a'zab for a male, ana a'zab azba for a female. Both mean the same, but ana a'zab is for male, meaning I am single, and ana azba is for female, meaning I am single. Right? So ana mutazawwij, ana mutazawwija, in the atfal, ana a'zab, ana azba. Right? So that is how we use these words in Arabic, and that is how we describe family in Arabic. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Hope you got to learn this, the words used to describe your relationships and family. So subscribe and share and support us.